So guys, we're on the way to Gagan's cottage. हामी सामाखुसीबाट straight भित्र आएका छौं. बाटो त्यस्तो खासै कन्फ्युजन चाहिँ छैन रहेछ because this is all the way straight अहिलेसम्म. Right now you can see Grandie Hospital. हामी चाहिँ Grandie Hospital को बाटोबाट पास हुँदैछौं. So I'll just show you. Grandie is on my left. हामी चाहिँ सामाखुसीबाट straight आएको छौं अनि we are finally at Grandie right now. अहिले the way is not that hard because this is all the way straight up. We just passed through Grandie and right now we are just moving ahead. अब यहाँनिर पुल आउँछ because I know म यहाँ आइसकेँ. Grandie's लाई हामीले पछाडि छोडेर अब we are passing through pool right now. You can also see the mark here. I'm just showing the location just because you guys won't be confused when you're coming here because Gagan's cottage is टाढा नै छ. We are passing through Xoxo. So we guys are here finally at Bishnumati Kola pool. So मैले तपाईहरुलाई अघि भने जस्तो direction is not that hard. You just have to come straight way inside from Samakhusi. You can see the Grandie apartment. Right now I'm here at a gate मा आइपुगेको छु. I really exactly don't know the location here. अहिले चाहिँ be specified that we are going straight. We are not taking a left. We are going straight inside your gate. So this is the way to Gagan's cottage. अघिदेखि it was like all the way straight. अहिले पनि we are just going straight. अलिकति कच्ची बाटो and it feels like it's Xoxo नगरपालिका 3 मा आइपुगेका छौं. Okay, we are typically inside यो हाम्रो Xoxo नगरपालिका 6, right? 3. Okay, I'm sorry, 10 and we are taking left. यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा पोखरी जस्तो सानो बनाएको रहेछ. What is this called? I don't know. Just we have to do is take your pokhari भित्र छिरेर then we are taking right. Just make sure that हामीले यो पोखरीलाई round गोलो मात्र गरेको छौं because the way there is under construction. Otherwise you guys can ask तपाईहरुले यहाँ कोही मान्छेहरुलाई सोध्नु भयो भने पनि उहाँले तपाईलाई direction भनिदिनुहुन्छ because there's a mandir right there. Okay, we're going all the way straight, then we're again taking our right. So see you this Xoxo Nagarpalika 2 Mandir, then all the way Agari, and we're taking our right. So Xoxo Chandeswari Mandir भनेर तपाईहरुले सोध्नु भयो भने पनि anyone can guide you with the location. Right now we are here taking right and moving towards Gagan. Okay guys, let me guide you quick back to my location. हामी चाहिँ सामाखुसी चोकबाट we came straight, then we passed through Grandie Hospital. त्यहाँबाट पनि straight up we came to Xoxo. Xoxoबाट we entered into it with उसको गेटबाट नै पास भएर we came up. We took around त्यो चन्देश्वरी मन्दिरबाट then we are coming straight and straight. अब the location is more right here, right नजिकै छ. अब हाम्रो end of the road मा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले देख्नुहुन्छ कि left side मा चाहिँ Gagan's सानो खाजा घर हुन्छ and there's where our stop is. So finally we are almost here to our destination. तपाईहरु सीधा आएर end of the road you will find this place. Okay, and finally we have a short Gagan hotel and restaurant. This is our stop. We are gonna talk with the owner here right now, and we're gonna stay here so that we can go further. On the way you grab your keys, make sure that you grab because there's the kitchen only and you have to cook over there. So it's almost like Adi Ganda Hinera. We are going to the curtains. Before that, make sure you grab things that's important to you because you're cooking over there. Yay! We are on the So guys, the destination is all about Euta single car. So it's more like your family and friends get together. The destination right there, you can see. Can you zoom that in? So it's more like a half hour on the way. Let's not waste our time because we're getting into a plane. Doggy. This is the way right now. We are in the middle of the jungle and the roads are like crazy. This feels so fantastic to be here right now. We're in the middle of the jungle, and right here you are feeling fantastic and so energetic. This is Mati dinosaur. You have to climb up, and then you have to stop like this. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. Right here, this is like my second visit to this place. Dai is not with me right now. In case if you guys are traveling here, make sure you're not climbing the hills. If you want to really grab something so good and peaceful, then obviously you have to make use of the energy. So guys, let's go on a ride. So just finally hold your heart because it's 1 minute to go. Let's go! So back in days, it was a rainy season and for now the season is changed and it's more like you can see here harvestingहरू भइरहेको छ. The right destination to we are talking and we're taking you right there only. You guys may be so excited to see all of that. If you want to guys come for a birthday party, a family reunion, or maybe whatever you ever wanted to, the right destination is behind here. It's feel like we are finally entering into the cottages. Hi babies. So come follow me to Gagan's Cottage. Follow me to Gagan's Cottage. It's a beautiful and so beautiful right here. We're finally after a long walk in your closet. Okay, this is nice and cozy. And there have an attached washroom. Also, if you want to make this a private room, you can just close the door here and open the door. This connects. So I'm going to take you to the next room. It feels like a lobby and to stay and cozy with your family. There's a cozy bed here. You can talk, and it's more like a guest lobby. Right now we are just moving in, and it's more like kitchen right here. For the kitchen right here, there is a normal shelf. You have gas and everything. You have the refrigerator here, the rice cooker, everything, a jar, chopping board, everything. Just you have to do is get something to cook, and it especially don't forget to get your own safe. Just right from the kitchen, here is a ladder to go up, and it's more cozy right here. And it's a vertical floor, and you can see it's a cozy, super good room. Okay, this feels so nice. The vibe here is like your right here again you have a next room. It's a sliding door, I guess. Open up door and you see it's a huge room here. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let's see the view if possible. Oh, this looks amazing. If you really want to feel alive out from the city, that's tell them, please come here, stay with your family and friends. really want to feel like chilling and enjoying the vibes. So for that, I have packed a sandwich, chicken popcorn, scooty from the arena, and just relaxing and enjoying the vibes. Cottageको tour गरेर आइसकेको छौँ र finally I have a right person to talk with and we have our owner Gagan is here.
Namaste.
So दाइ तपाईले कसरी स्टार्ट गर्नुभयो र कस्तो छ अहिले कस्तो भइरहेछ बिजनेस के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ?
यो लकडाउन अगाडि चाहिँ राम्रै हो लकडाउनले चाहिँ हामीलाई पनि अलिक एफेक्ट गरेछ अब यो एज ए गेस्ट हाउसको रूपमा चाहिँ हामीले 2 वर्ष अगाडिदेखि नै खोलेको अब त्यही गेस्ट हाउस पहिला फ्रेन्च लेडिजहरू पोलिनहरूले चलाएको 5-6 वर्षमा अहिले त्यस्तो 5-6 वर्ष चलाउनु भयो चलाएपछि छोड्नु भयो त्यसपछि अब धेरै अरूको मात्रै काम गर्नु अब आफ्नै उसमा गर्नुपर्छ भनेर मैले चाहिँ उहाँहरूको एग्रिमेन्ट सकेपछि 2 वर्षको ग्यापमा फेरि आफैले एग्रिमेन्ट गरेर म आफैले चलाएको
ओके त्यही भएर पनि we can see the room are very cozy and very private. उहाँको चाहिँ नि I heard कि उहाँको कतिवटा माथि पनि छ भन्ने सुनेको
त्यो चाहिँ कटेज हो त्यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो सबै अब त्यो एट्याच बाथरुम अनि त्यसपछि bathtub
त्यो अपार्टमेन्टको चाहिँ हजुर कति चार्ज
त्यसको चाहिँ हामी 3500 रुपियाँ पर नाइट अनि ब्रेकफास्ट
कपलको ओके सो वी गन ब्लग गर्न द भिडियो भेरी सुन अहिले हामीले बसेको यो होमस्टे टाइपको तपाईँले कोटेज प्रदान गर्नु त्यसको चाहिँ कसरी
हजुर त्यो चाहिँ हामीले होलिडे होम राखेको छौँ त्यसको चाहिँ 10,500
Thank you so much, Gagan, for being and having us here. It was awesome and a very good travel here. Tapos ani auna hola 10,500 ma you're getting free room right? Room with your living and plus you have a kitchen. So guys, please come here and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Namaste. So for more videos and more places to go in Nepal, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. We love you. XOXO.